This is my journey into Flipbooks. I'm Howard Lee, and in this video, you get a compilation of all the books. Let's go. So before I made any Flipbooks, I was doing this kind of work, 3D anamorphic drawing illusions. So I moved on to try this in a flipbook, in the form of a rotating, spinning cube, or as some people have pointed out, cuboid. The key thing was cutting the top edge off to make it look like the cube was actually spinning above the book. So I was happy with that effect, and I decided to try the same thing but with a shark in 3D anamorphic perspective leaping out of the water. And again, the cutouts really helped create that sense of 3D illusion. I was so pleased with the effect that I dropped Flipbooks entirely and did Etch-a-Sketch drawing instead, at least for a few weeks. I was really enjoying the movie themes, and I think it really helped people connect with the artwork. So I maintained this interest in new and upcoming movie releases, and did a piece for The Lion King and something for Joker. And the Joker material was so successful that I did this. A set of Jokers, all laughing, giving you a history of Joker laughs. The reaction to the Joker book was massive, so I decided to do something else for another release that was coming up, Terminator Dark Fate. But instead of drawing scenes from Dark Fate, I recapped some of the important points from the previous movies.
I'll be back.
Following another massive reaction for Terminator, I asked my YouTube subscribers what they wanted to see, and they said, draw a book with lots of different heroes, and as Halloween was coming up, I decided to go with this, Heroes vs. Horror. So there it is, my flipbook drawing collection. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, keep sharing it, liking it. I've passed like 400k subs now and it blows my mind. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this little compilation. Maybe when I've done a few more, I could do another collection. If you didn't like it, then just shut up, okay? No, if you didn't like it, that's fair enough too. You've watched it, but if you're still watching by this point and you didn't like it, then you've seen it anyway, so it doesn't matter now. Thanks to you too. I'm really tempted to draw a frozen flipbook for the release of the new movie in November. Come back next week, maybe that'll be here. If you're watching this in the future though, and it's like ages since I made this, then still come back next week, because there might be some other good stuff. I mean, it might not, it might be rubbish.